X-intercepts. X-intercepts, another name for x-intercepts, are also zeros and roots. Basically what an x-intercept is, it's a point where the graph crosses the x-axis. Here in blue, I have two x-intercepts because these are the x-axis. So these are my x-intercepts. They're also called zeros or roots. To find it, you're going to set y equal to 0 and solve for x. The reason why you do that is you've just made up an order pair here. I just made up a graph, polynomial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has an order pair of 5, 0. And you'll notice that your y value is equal to 0. So it says to find, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. In other words, find x when f of x equals 0. So normally you have an order pair and we call that x comma y, right? But in fancy way, we say x comma f of x. Everyone say f of x.
F of x.
It's basically just saying when the y is equal to 0. So instead of saying x comma y, we are now saying x comma f of x, function notation, and that's what it means there. To find the y-intercept, this is the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. So y-intercept, here's my y-axis. This one has one y-intercept. How do you find it? To find it, set x equal to 0 and simplify for y. In other words, find f of 0. Remember, in function notation, if you write that right above it, you can see that the x value is equal to 0. And this is how you find x-intercepts. X and y-intercepts.